Jesus.
God have mercy upon us.
Yeah.
Obo àti oúnjẹ àti oko ni ìgbádùn ayé. Lẹ́yìn yẹn kò sí ìgbádùn kankan nínú ayé. Àdìgbò gbogbo àjẹ́ pa mi jìnnì lẹ́nu.
What did you say your name?
My name is Olubaji Poison.
Your name now Olubaji boys and men. Anyone where they are available. You Fiji, you Baji, you go break. Hey, like name like Biara. Your name look exactly like you. Anyway, that is Bible. You have heard what the job is all about. I go need collateral, some collateral. I go need evidence. Somebody will go stand in for you. What is the call for you? Stand. Oh, shorty. Somebody that will shorty you according to your height. So is your mother living around you? Your mother is gone. Hey! Your father gone. Both of them gone. Maggi gone. Hey! You're gone and then your family. Too much of gone. You're gone. Anyway, I think to them. How we go take to them now, because I can't just give you. Working in my house is very, very dangerous. I need somebody that will shorty you so that when anything will happen, I go know who to go and who to do. Yes.
Sir, are you a younger sister?
Wait, is that around? What are we waiting for? Let me have her or him. Oh, you see, is a sister?
Yes, sir.
Run along. Tell her to come with you.
If she come, you go employ me.
Go to both. Let her come, then we sign agreement.
Okay, thank you, sir. No.
Okay. Hey. I was some pro kobo bafro. Why person we born this country no go die? Why you go die? Why? Tell me one good reason why this woman will still go. They should rest in peace.
Jesus.
Obìnrin.
Jesus.
God have mercy upon us.
Yeah.
Obo àti oúnjẹ àti oko ni ìgbádùn ayé. Lẹ́yìn yẹn kò sí ìgbádùn kankan nínú ayé. Àdìgbò gbogbo àjẹ́ pa mi jìnnì lẹ́nu. Viewers, apologize. I'm continuing.
But you told me your mother is late.
No, this one not be my mother. Now my younger sister.
Huh?
My baby sister.
Babe.
Baby.
Which kind of nonsense talk with that one? And they hate all these short people now. They like to underrate big people.
No, this is my other sister. She's 10 years older than me.
Everything is problem. How a big full-grown adult like you will open mouth and tell me this kind of a thing? How can you describe this little one bashi as your turn around? Hey, Ababanji. Una too is an insult to una self, to una family.
What's this one now? What is your problem? What is your problem? Are we the God that created ourselves? Is she supposed to go and fight God? What is your problem now? Why you say God to give us work? You give us work. Don't insult my family.
So what can I do now? Now I shot. I don't kill anybody.
Exactly.
I don't kill anybody. Now I just shot too.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
Don't you people be discriminating?
Hey! Catholic na CMS ajamona. Catholic ajamona CMS. Hey! Mde kuru cafe mo to wadi. Elu walele numo. Elu elebo do wa. Ya ti elemi o. Elu walele numo. Ngo watoro nya with 10 years. Anybody him me go nya ebri hi geje to ogologo nakoro ga boy na aso na mpo. Gi boy ankati. If I would be you, somebody where you know is 10 years, something where therefore you take a credit, you go talk. She gathered and for back. She's a Amusu. Only a Amusu. Yes, you Amusu. How? You are the architect of her shortness.
Okay, what is your problem now? Now, big Nyash, I guess. I don't give us. How am I Amus? How is big Nyash related to Amus?
Amusu, when in the sense that you gathered what she's supposed to grow with you every month after 10 years. Keep bring her maso. When they got time to a year person, yeah, some surgery. See if I give this person work now, how she go take a climb a cupboard?
Okay, get here now. I go climb here.
Hey, how about you watch it? You got that chair for me.
She doesn't have words now. What do you mean you have a drink or check?
Hey, mama, don't want to wait. I'm catching you. If I get you, but I'm
I beg, it's okay. Sister, let's go. Don't give us the word, you don't okay? Why are you now going? Sister, let's go.
Go because there's no
Sister,
work.
let's go. We gotta look for another place.
There's no work for adult today.
I'm an adult, a full adult, 35 years.
You to adult, my new baby. No work for adult baby in my house. My children that you want to take care of, they are all bigger than you. They will kill you here with hand. Opera is very, very agile. Oh my God, can't see each phone you want. They may think you are their mate. So I wouldn't want to record no mass because
Okay, my name no Nubachi. I go by them.
but that hand never nanny ogologo. Yeah, but they have bad hand. Yeah, book of he go. Kaka your bumbo. Other than that, hand again a boot. Imagine the nanny out to we have
Sister, please, let's go.
10 years gap. Hey, British Bakwajaman. The bandits are cola. What I got my bring here, the one who do. Oh, your cousin, get over your taste. You know the deal to buy foam. For my, I will let foam. 4 more years, you what we are getting in the where brief illness. May you go. Such a mess among the Kajakan one day, thinking you are his mate. Because she has an honor. They go talk, say my children no get respect. Not beside they discriminate you, but no, the work I want you to do for me, it didn't work to you to work. Where do I go?